Hey guys, I got the legs picked up anyways. I don't have water right now, so I can't really clean them up, but kind of assessing the damage. I think I have maybe 3 rafters. I didn't look at the other side yet. I'm not going to do that until I have help flipping this over. It about fell on me once. There's one rafter there that's broke. So, and no, I'm not crying over this. It's getting chilly out and my nose is running. So that's a rafter. And then over here, this rafter is hurting. I thought there was damage in this one too. I'll have to go through them a little more diligently. A couple cross braces. Almost every leg is damaged. That one's damaged. Damaged. It's 3. We got damage there, damage here. There's 6. And then let's see, that one's damaged. So that's 7. Some more damage. 8. When it ripped the screws out, it just tore them up. That piece actually stayed in. So, but it ripped the screw hole out there. So I'm gonna call that 9. 10. And 11. And I might have one good rat now. That's all. All the legs are gonna need replaced. Looks like 2 cross braces. And what was that? 2 rafters. I'll have to come out when it's sunny with Mary out here. We'll have to kind of flip that over and inspect it in the sunlight. But anyways, that's where we stand. Wonder if these cross braces are hosed up. Well, that one looks good. A lot of these screws, all the screws pretty much bent to heck. But oh well. Life could be worse. That's for sure. Thanks for watching.